Hi, welcome back to another quickie. Trying to do these for Stock Lock Sunday. These are another padlock that's been sat in my bucket for a while. Burg Wachter Alu Titan 770/50. Construction wise, beautiful padlock. It's light, aluminium body, hardened steel shackle. It does have freaking look at that. It's got quite a paracentric keyway there. It's a nice padlock. However, like that Tri-Circle 265 in the other video, it does have a bit of a weakness, and that comes in these poor tolerances between the shackle and the body. We can easily shim this. So, right, we'll try one in. Two. Three. So, as you can see, not the best, doesn't take very long. It's probably even quicker to open that with the shims than the Tri-Circle 265. So there we go. Burg Wachter Alu Titan 770/50. Stay away from that as well. Another poorly made padlock. Looks good, just pointless. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, leave a like, leave me a comment, come say hi. It's sunny in Scotland for once. Nice chilled Sunday. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.